we'll get right into it. So, what is supply chain management?
Okay, yeah, it's a very extensive question. If we talk about all the supply chain industries that we have in the world, but I'm going to mention that supply chain management is the way that we integrate natural resources into a process using information, logistics, and other services, and having customer satisfaction at the end of the road with the finished good. I would say that is supply chain management, and it's the way as the a definition management is how am I going to work something in order to meet with satisfaction in all my supply chain. So it's very interesting because supply chain needs to have value in all the stages. If someone loses in a stage, even a transportation, okay, transportation, if they lose profit, they don't get interest, or if something happens in this transportation, probably it's going to impact us and we're not going to deliver on time to our customers. So the supply chain management is how am I going to do it, how am I going to work this process, this cycle, so everything is kind of orchestrated well, so we have customer satisfaction at the end of the road. So that is what supply chain management is in the basics, Franco.
Basically, these are pieces of the puzzle that are working together. So it's like one whole chain and they have to work together. So
That's
if one is missing or if one malfunctions, then one thing leads to another. Does that make sense? I mean, do I have like a better understanding of it now?
Yeah, you know what? You use the right word. It's simply as a chain. It's
Mm-hmm.
simply as a chain. You need a chain to come to point A to point B, So we need to have forces between each one of the chain knobs, let's say, that are going to do an effort to complete that state. So it's very simple as a chain. It has a chain reaction. Everything has a chain reaction in this supply chain, So we need to know how to manage it. And right nowadays, information is necessary to know how to use information so we could do more efficient our process in our internal supply chain and our external supply chain. What do I mean with this? Because it's very interesting. Our internal supply chain is where am I going to focus as an objective of my company and where it's going to. Let's say I am a steel manufacturer. Okay, so this steel, where am I going to focus this steel in what industries? And that's going to give me an external supply chain. So I need to know how to manage the external information and process my internal information in my company so everything has a customer satisfaction.